Hey guys, for this dump truck and excavating vlogs. Well, I got some bad news about my excavator. Just a picture of what mine would have looked like brand new, sort of. So anyways, my machine there, I was using it and doing some grading work with it and on another job. It's kind of nice, I actually got some jobs with it. But I was using it and I noticed some oil leaking from the machine, and I tried to find where it was. Couldn't find it. I think the hydraulic leak somewhere. Of course, the front cylinder, the tilt cylinder was leaking, and I fixed that on it, put new packing in there, and I got the front cylinder fixed up and everything. And that side shift on it, like on the undercarriage, was kind of weak. And I talked to John Deere doesn't up here in Canada doesn't really deal with the excavators. It's Brandit who does it, and I talked to them about it, and they wanted to have a look at the machine. So they were going to come down and have a look at it because you're actually in the area. So anyways, these guys weren't coming down anyway. So anyways, I was using the machine and noticed a tick in the motor, and the tick got worse and worse and worse. And I stopped basically where I was, and the hour meter on the machine said, I think was it 6,000 hours on it. Not very much, but who knows how many operators and how rough they've been with the machine. Of course, it's had its abuse. It's a very, very well used machine, but who knows, right? Anyways, the guy from the service guy came down, and he loaded the machine in the truck, and they called me a couple of days later, and bad news. So the motor is basically due for rebuild. It's, I mean, our meter on it wasn't working properly, and they say it probably has over 20,000 hours on it. So by how many hours it has on it. And the undercarriage has to be all replaced on it, and a bunch of hydraulics, and I was kind of really, really depressed about it, and I just didn't know what to do. But, basically this machine cost me quite a bit of money. Well, not a lot, but quite a bit, So quite a few thousands of dollars. So anyways, the Brandit dealer said to me, well, they gave me a couple options. Either I rebuild the machine, or they could buy it off me and use it for parts, because it was pretty wore out. And what am I gonna do? I mean, shit happens, right? And it was either spend, put $15,000 or $20,000 into the machine, that's what they quoted me, between $15,000 to $20,000 to get this machine up and going again for me. So they gave me, basically I sold it to this company, and I think I lost about $4,000 on the deal. So here I am again, looking for another damn excavator. So anyways, just a lesson to myself, I guess, is when I go to buy an excavator, either buy a brand spanking new, or buy another used one, and make sure I get it for a really good smoking deal, because what I paid for the John Deere, I paid quite a bit of money for it, and I've used it many times before. But the guy was selling it, and of course, if a rental center is selling a machine, you just kind of have to be wondering why he's selling it. I know it was wore out and everything, but anyways, there you have it. Back to square one again without an excavator. It's fun while it lasted, but it's a lesson learned for me. You buy something used, well, you better get it for a really smoking good deal, because you don't know how it's been ran. And if you want to put $10,000 into it, or between $5,000 and $10,000 into it, it's no big deal. When we spend a lot of money and something blows up, then it's kind of tough to justify putting that kind of money into a machine, right? Alrighty guys, thanks for watching my video, and it's a bit of a bummer, but it's the way it is. Alright, see ya.